Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Anjali. Today I have come up with a tool that I developed using Python, that is PDF split tool. First I'll show how this tool looks and how it works. Then I'll explain the source code. When you run the code, this is how it looks. I have used Streamlit and PyPDF libraries to work with this tool. This is the screen that appears when you run this code. Then you are able to see PDF split tool, the title, and split any PDF file into multiple files using custom page ranges. Here you will get an option, browse the files, where you can click here and select any PDF you want to split. Then you will get these many options. The first thing is you can choose how you want to split the PDF. You will have three different options called three different options. One is split by page ranges, split evenly by page count, and split chapter wise. Only if bookmarks are available in the PDF, then only this will work. Then you will be able to see total pages. Here in the PDF which I uploaded, have 101 pages. It is showing here. This is the first option, this is second option, and this is third. If you want to split this PDF by page ranges, we will see how this works. Enter page ranges. For example, in this way you can enter the pages. I'll show how it works. If you want 1, 2, 3, first 3 pages separately, and if you want from 4th page to 10th page, and from 11th page to 90 page, we can split in this way according to our requirement. Now we can see this is first page, this is page number 2 to 3. It means one page, page number 3, these three, and 4 to 10. Here is the 4 to 10 and here is the 11 to 90th page. Then the remaining pages, as we saw here, there are 101 pages. The remaining pages will be present in different PDF, all remaining pages. This is how it works. You can enter any ranges, or if you want any single page to be separated, you can enter your page numbers. Now we will see the second option, that is split evenly by page count. Now we have PDF. If you want that be splitted evenly, for example, for every 20 page, I am splitting the PDF. This is how it comes 1 to 20, 21 to 40. For every 20 pages evenly, this PDF will be splitted. You will just have to give one number through which it need to be divided evenly. Now we will see third option, split chapter wise. This PDF does not contain bookmark, it is telling. As I have given here, using PDF bookmark, it means only if the PDF is having bookmark, then only it is going to divide chapter wise. Now I'll upload another file which is having bookmark. Now if you are splitting chapter wise, this is how it's split based on chapter wise. Now I'll show you the PDF how it looks. This is the PDF bookmark. Based on chapter wise, it is splitting. First chapter is title page, then thank you, preface, like this. I hope you understood how these three options of splitting PDFs are working. Here in the first option, the maximum splits you can enter here is 50. In the second option, the maximum split you can do is 100. Here the condition is the PDF must have bookmark. While uploading the file, here it is showing 25 MB file size, maximum 1000 pages and minimum 2 pages PDF it should be having. Here is an example for that. If I upload the PDF which is having less pages, it is showing PDF must have at least 2 pages. And if I upload larger file more than 25 MB, it is showing file must be 25 MB or smaller. Now we'll go for code. In a simple way, I'll explain the code. Here are the import statements. As I said, we have used Streamlit and PyPDF to work with PDF and Streamlit to work with UI. We have also imported IO. This is the page configuration where we have given title and layout. This is all about styling, border, drag drop box, split button, download button. Here, this is the code for UI designing. This is the title and this sentence which is displayed here. You can see this is file upload part and it will display. Choose how you want to split the PDF. This part. These are the options that we will be able to see. We have given radio buttons and three different options which you can see on the output screen. This is the page range validation. These are the conditions for that. If page is less than 1, if end page is less than 1, it will check all these conditions and it will raise value error called invalid page range. These are the validations. You can see this is the file type validation. If you are uploading a file which is not a proper PDF file, then it is going to show only PDF files are allowed. And this is file size validation. As I said, it allows only 25 MB. If it is more than that, it will tell file size exceeds this limit. And I want to add here that by using this code, we can change the limit of the file size that user can upload. If we want to change the size 25 to 30, we can change here. You need to create this file inside Streamlit folder, and by adding these lines, we can make changes. Here is a try block which checks and throw the error called PDF must have at least 2 pages. As I showed that time, if you are uploading small PDF of less pages, it is going to show this. If it is more than 1000 pages, PDF exceeds maximum allowed pages. If everything is fine and the PDF is good to use, then it will display the total number of pages. After showing the total number of pages, you need to select the options, where if you are selecting the first option split by range, it will ask for enter page ranges and it will show this example as we saw there, and we need to enter the page ranges. Button we will use to split the PDF. If you are not entering anything and it's just if you are pressing the split button, it will show please enter at least one page range. We will see how it works. Without entering anything, if I just press, it will show please enter at least one page range. This validation. If you enter the page which is out of range, for example, the total number of pages 1 or 2. If you are entering 1 or 2, then it is telling pages outside total page limit. That is, this line is going to execute at that time. If you are entering any invalid formats, it will tell invalid format. For example, 1 to 10. If you are using double colon instead of single colon, any formatical mistake if you are doing, it will tell invalid format, use only this format. This line will execute. Again, duplicate ranges detected. For example, if you are taking 1 to 10, you should start with 11. If you are taking again 10 to 20, it will tell overlap changes are not allowed. It means once you are using page number 10, it should not be repeated. And as I said, 50 are the maximum split that allowed in this option. Then you can download. This is download and this is remaining pages. As I said, whatever the pages you are giving initially, all remaining pages will go to another PDF. Then if you are selecting second option, it will ask for enter pages per split. Then it will ask for enter the pages. You will enter. Then if you are entering any negative number, it will tell positive whole number is allowed. For example, if you are selecting this option and if you are entering something instead of 20, if you are entering minus 20, it will tell only positive whole number is allowed. This validation. And if you are entering 0, this validation is displayed. Again, if you are entering the pages which is more than the total number of pages of PDF, pages per split cannot exceed this total pages. This line will be executed. Here in this option, maximum splits are 100. As I said, if you are generating more than 100 PDFs, it will tell too many splits files. Maximum is this one, 100 is allowed. Then you will get a download button, you can download. This is the third part. If you are choosing third option, it will tell split PDF by bookmark. Then you will get a button called split chapter wise. If it do not contain bookmark, it will tell it does not contain. This is also a validation. This is the condition which it will check, and it will split chapter wise and it will show the download button. This is an exception for the try block which we saw before. That is, if the file itself is a not proper PDF file, it will show invalid or corrected PDF file. This is the simple explanation of code for PDF split tool. You can check the description. You can read all the steps necessary to check the necessary installations, and you can download the source code there. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.